recording? Okay. Alright. Mealy, tell the camera what you did. Okay. I'll tell everybody. Okay. Mealy likes instant soup, right?
Yeah.
Oh, the whole house smells like smoke, by the way. Mealy likes instant soup, and she was just asking me. She wanted one. No, that is not a Oreo cookie ice cream sandwich or anything.
That is
Okay,
soup without water.
Yeah, because she doesn't know how to make soup. Look at that.
And then whenever I peed on it, more smoke came
You
out.
you peed on it? Ew. Okay.
You don't see that?
Ew.
I'll do it too, yeah.
No, don't do it.
I do it right now. And it was more smoke was coming out, and it turned more brown.
Oh. Well, anyway, Mealy, come here. Tell camera. Mealy, come here. Mealy.
Dude, I want to pee on it now.
Okay, well, she likes instant soup, and she's like, Diana, can I have some soup?
I'm being cut down.
And I'm like, ask mom. And then I guess she thought she can make it herself, so.
Make her yourself?
And you owe mom a new microwave thing.
We have to use that for heating the food.
Yeah.
Instant soup.
You're so off.
No, that's funny music.
Where's Mealy? Oh, you hear that? Your mom's gonna have to buy my mom a new microwave plate because you peed on it. Yeah, you wonder why you're choking, Mealy. Stop looking at it.